Hello everyone. Today we're going to make the single crochet foundation row. Now there's a reason for this. It's because in my very next project I'm going to be using this. Why use this, you may ask? Well, on some projects, when you do your very first chain to begin your work, that chain can become quite stiff with no flexibility, and then you'll get a tight kind of look around the bottom of your work. So by doing this foundation row, it prevents that tightness. See how it's got give and elasticity? And that is exactly what I've done for this cowl that I made. This one was a double crochet foundation row, but it can be done in half double crochet or single crochet as well. So it just allows for more stretch, particularly when it becomes a wearable project that you are making. Okay, so we're going to learn the single crochet foundation row. To make the single crochet foundation row, we'll just need to do a slip knot to start with. So yarn end in your right hand, make a loop around the left, pulling that loop through with your hook, and now you have a movable slip knot. Now we're going to do 2 chains. So yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. Now we're going to work into the first chain that was made. Not into the back bump like I normally do. This time we need to work into the very right hand side of the chain, so that when you pop your hook through, there are 2 loops on the top and 1 loop on the bottom. Okay, so now pulling that loop through, we're going to yarn over and pull it through the first loop on our hook, yarn over and pull it through the last 2 loops. Now what we've done here essentially is create a chain on the left and a single crochet on the right. Just bear with me, it will make more sense soon. Now we're going to work into this chain area on the left. If you turn it over a bit, you'll see that it kind of crosses over itself. So if you pop your hook under 2 loops there, pulling a loop through, yarning over, pulling through that first loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. So the first one you made was the chain, and the second one on the right side is your single crochet. Now we're going to go underneath those 2 chain loops, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through that 1 loop on the left. Now yarn over and pull through the other 2 loops on your hook, which is your single crochet side. Again, we're going under the 2 loops for the chain, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through the loop on the left, yarn over, pull through the other 2 loops. A little bit longer and you'll be able to see what's going on with this. So popping your hook under the 2 loops on the left, pulling up a loop, yarning over, pull through that first loop on the left, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 stitches. Okay, now we're going underneath the chain, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Going underneath that chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're starting to get along a little bit, and you can see the stretch. The stretch is what we're after, because that is the purpose of doing this sort of foundation row. Okay, a little bit more. We go under the chain on the left, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the left hand side loop, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. Under the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Under the chain on the left, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Under the chain on the left, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Under the chain, pull up a loop, pull through 1 and pull through 2. So that's chain, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now we're really getting along with it, and it looks just as it should, and it has the stretch. Okay, just a few more. You can stop your video now if you think you've got it right, but otherwise I'll just do a little bit more just to be sure. So if you're having trouble finding where to put your first loop for the chain, it's under this little section here. So all along the bottom here we have our chain. Popping it over under the left, there are 2 loops there that you pop your hook under. Pulling up, pulling through that, yarn over, pulling through 1, yarn over, pulling through 2. Popping your hook under those 2 loops, pulling a loop up, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's go again. Finding those 2 loops, popping your hook under, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Under the chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Under the chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So on the top here, you've got your single crochets, and on the bottom, you've got a running chain. Okay, so that is called your single crochet foundation row. And of course, this can be done with half double crochet and double crochet too.